We are here to show you how we cut out a skimmer plate on a brand new vinyl liner installation on an in-ground pool. We are currently using a vacuum which holds the liner in place while being worked on. To cut out the skimmer, we must first secure the skimmer faceplate. Our tech is feeling for what's under the liner and where the skimmer is located. We use the skimmer screw in our video, but you could use an awl or a nail. We find the first hole on the outside by feeling it with your finger. Our tech then locates the second hole on the other outside with his finger. Keep in mind there's a gasket between the wall and the liner. He adds the faceplate and uses the initial holes he created to screw the plate in. We then work our way into the middle to fill in the gaps and secure the plate to the wall all around the square. Our tech uses a screw gun, but you could also use a screwdriver if you like. Now we're going to cut the skimmer out of the liner. We cut with a sharp utility blade, but a knife would also work. A fresh sharp blade will certainly help and ensure an exact cut. Looking for more info? Be sure to check out our additional videos in our vinyl liner installation series. Keep in mind that there are multiple ways of doing things and that everything we demonstrate is a process that works for us. Leave a comment or a like and we thank you for watching.